Hi everyone, it's Tech Dan. Today we are reviewing the Falcon Eyes PockeTlite F7 Mini. This is a RGB LED light, a very good quality, practical RGB light. I've been using this in my past videos to add a little bit of flair, a little bit of RGB lights to the B-rolls, like you can see here with the purple. So the PockeTlite F7 Mini is only 5 watts, and this is the only con about this product, I think. You cannot use it if you have like a very strong key light. You need to have like soft lights, pretty dark room, and then it will do the job. So to use this, I think you also need a good lens, a good fast lens with a wide aperture. So in the box you will find the instructions and the light, but also many accessories like this case, which is practical, and in it is hidden many little accessories like this first one, which is the honeycomb grid. This will be used to control the spill of the light. Also included is the diffuser. As the name implies, this is used to diffuse the light, so I've been using this a lot in my B-rolls and my videos recently. You will also find a bracket and a cold shoe. Unfortunately, there is no tripod included in this package, so the little cheap tripod that you see in this video is provided by me, so that you will need to provide your own. And finally, there is a USB-C cable in the box. Thank you, it's 2021. We want USB-C. Thanks. Now it's time to talk about the light itself. Great build quality. I have nothing bad to say about it. Here you can see that you can use a tripod with it. On the side you will find the USB-C port, the power and set button, and the function buttons or switch or toggle thing. I don't know how to call it, sorry. On the back, very powerful magnets. You can stick the light on any magnetic surfaces, and really I've been using this to mount it on my light stands. The battery has been holding very well in my testing, in my video shoots. Over 1 hour without any problem. The manufacturer says 90 minutes. On the side you have this little OLED screen that is very bright, very good quality I think for such a small screen. Here you can see all the parameters that you need, including the battery level. So you can control everything with the button on the side. I will show you the multiple functions a little bit later on with the app on your smartphone. The light is very easy to use without the smartphone, without the app. The buttons are responsive. It's easy to set the multiple functions. Nothing bad to say about it. So now the app, really good app. This is a quality product and it shows with the app. Here I can control the hue, the strength, also the intensity if you like of the light. And so this is the easiest way to choose a color and the intensity that you want. You can also go with the RGB code if you know exactly the color that you want. And there is also some gel modes if you are used to use some gels from these companies. And if you don't want colors, because sometimes you just want a good white light, and this will do it. It has all the color spectrum of the whites. So you can choose the temperature and the intensity and everything. So you also have some quick setting like you see in Kelvins. So this is very useful. This light can do everything that you need. But it's not over. One cool trick that this light has is quality FX scenes that you can control using the app or even with the buttons on the light itself. You have multiple scenes from police car, ambulance, fire truck, a red flash, lighting, TV screen, candle, paparazzi. I can go on and go on. You can see them here on the screen. You can control also the speed of the animations and the strength of the light. And this is not a gimmick. This is very useful in filmmaking or for your YouTube videos. If you have some great ideas, and you need these special effects, this will save you. This will really help. The F7 Mini by FalconEyes is a very good quality RGB light. This is not the cheapest light on the market, but the price is very competitive. It is very practical for your filming and photography. I can really recommend it without any doubt. So please think about subscribing, liking this video. See you next time. Ciao.